Polynomial vocabulary. Term: a number or a product of a number and variables raised to powers. Coefficient: numerical factor of a term. Constant: term which is only a number. Polynomial is a sum of terms involving variables raised to a whole number exponent with no variables appearing in any denominator. مثال: حدد ما إذا كان كل من التالي polynomial، وإن لم يكن polynomial فيجب ذكر السبب. A زد تربيع ناقص 3z زائد 1/4. B P أس 3/4 ناقص 16. Example: determine whether the expression is a polynomial. If it's not, explain why. A z square minus 3z plus 1/4. B p to the power of 3/4 minus 16. A z square minus 3z plus 1/4. Yes, it is a polynomial. B p to the power of 3/4 minus 16. No, it's not a polynomial because the exponent in the first term, p to the power of 3/4, is not a whole number. مثال: عين الحدود لكل من التالي. A 4x زائد 3. B 6x ناقص 1. Example: identify the terms of the expression. A 4x plus 3. B 6x minus 1. The terms of A 4x plus 3 are 4x and 3. The terms for B 6x minus 1 are 6x and negative 1. مثال: عين المعامل للحدود. A سالب 14x. B 2x على 5. Example: identify the coefficient of the terms. A negative 14x. B 2x/5. The coefficient is the number without x. So for A, the coefficient of negative 14x is negative 14. B, the coefficient of 2x/5 is 2/5. مثال: عين الحدود ومعامل كل حد. 7x أس 5 زائد x تربيع y تربيع ناقص 4xy زائد 7. Example: identify the terms and the coefficient of each term. 7x to the power 5 plus x square y square minus 4xy plus 7. The terms are 7x to the power 5 and x square y square and negative 4xy and 7. The coefficient of the term 7 x to the power 5 is 7. The coefficient of the term x squared y squared is 1. The coefficient of the term negative 4xy is negative 4. The coefficient of the term 7 is 7. Types of polynomials. Number of terms. 1 term, monomial. 2 terms, binomial. 3 terms, trinomial. More than 3 terms, no special name. Degrees. Degree of a term. To find the degree, take the sum of the exponents on the variables contained in the term. Degree of a polynomial. To find the degree, take the largest degree of any term of the polynomial. مثال: أوجد الدرجة لكل حد. A 3 x تربيع B 12 x تربيع Y Z تكعيب. Example: find the degree of each term. A 3x squared B 12x squared Y Z cube. A. To find the degree of 3x squared, the exponent on x is 2, so the degree of the term is 2. B. To find the degree of 12x squared y z cube, the degree is the sum of the exponents on the variables. So the degree is the sum of the exponents on the variables. So we have 2 and 1 and 3. When we add them together, 2 plus 1 plus 3, that is 6. Therefore, the degree of 12x squared y z cube is 6. مثال: أوجد الدرجة للبولينوميال وحدد ما إذا كانت أحادية الحدود أو ثنائية الحدود أو ثلاثية الحدود أو ولا واحدة منهم. لل 12 x زائد 9. Example: find the degree of the polynomial and determine whether it is a monomial or binomial or trinomial or none of these. To 12x plus 9. The degree of a polynomial is the greatest degree of any term of the polynomial. So the degree of 12x plus 9 is 1. And since 12x plus 9 has 2 terms, therefore it is a binomial. مثال: أوجد الدرجة للبولينوميال وحدد ما إذا كانت أحادية الحدود أو ثنائية الحدود أو ثلاثية الحدود أو ولا واحدة منهم للسالب 8x أس 5 y أس 2 زائد 3x أس 6 y أس 3 ناقص 4x y أس 6. Example: find the degree of the polynomial and determine whether it is a monomial or binomial or trinomial or none of these. Negative 8x to the power of 5 y to the power of 2 plus 3x to the power of 6 y to the power of 3 minus 4x y to the power of 6. The degree of a polynomial is the greatest degree of any term of the polynomial. The degree of a term is the sum of the exponents on the variables contained in the term.